everyone, I am just going to make a really quick short video on some chicken skin. I saved the chicken skin from an heirloom chicken that I bought Saturday for the chicken salad that I made, and I already had that video uploaded. So I saved everything that I could from this chicken, including the chicken skin. So I am going to fry it. I love chicken skin, and I know it's not all that great for you. It does have some healthy fats, by the way, but it also does have the not so healthy fats. But you know, it's in moderation. I don't eat it all the time, but I'm specifically just going to fry it. My vision was frying it and eating it with the beans, the refried beans that I made. I'm literally making a snack. I'm making chicken skin, fried chicken skin. So I'm going to fry it in some avocado oil, and this is the one that I like to use. Join me while I just quickly make this fried chicken skin. How many times did I say chicken skin in this video? Okay, let's see. And I wanted to show you the chicken skin that I saved. And again, this is from the heirloom chicken that I used the other day to make the chicken salad. Yummy. And I forgot to mention that the skin had already been cooked. I boiled the chicken, the whole chicken, and before making the salad, that's when I pulled the skin off. So the skin has already been cooked. I'm just frying it now. So here are my refried beans with my fried chicken skin, heirloom chicken skin, and corn tortillas. That actually looks really yummy. And you know, I'm gonna try it right now. Let me just try it. Let me just try it. Oh my gosh. As my parents would say, que rico. This is so good. It's so flavorful. It's wonderful, but you know what I'm missing are my chili pequins. I've got to go grab some. I'll be right back. This is my great big plant of chili pequins. And I have so many. It's rained so much here in Austin. I have an abundance of chili pequins. I'm just trying to pick the big ones. This is such a special plant. It really is. Here's the chicken skin. It's crispy. It's crunchy. It's very tasty, and it almost like melts in your mouth. It's so good. This is a very naughty snack. A very naughty snack. Chili pequins have such a good flavor to them. Oh man, that was a hot one. Holy moly. I've never done this before where I've just specifically fried chicken skin on its own. But again, it was an heirloom chicken and I didn't want to waste the skin because I feel it was healthier than any of the other chicken skin that one would normally buy at the store. But dang, everything about that chicken is good. Again, the refried beans I made with my prime rib beef broth, and I have a video on that where I made the prime rib beef broth with the prime rib bones that I had left over from the Christmas dinner. So I made the beans with that, so tons of flavor there. Then I refried the beans originally in bacon grease, and then I just refried the beans again in the avocado oil / chicken fat skin, chicken skin fat. So you can only imagine the flavors. It's a really yummy snack / dinner. This is how I cook for myself. I can eat beans every day. When I make something, I try to make a large batch of it so that I can eat it for lunch and dinner. I have no problem eating the same food for a few days. But man, this is good. But thank you so much for hanging out with me. This was a short, quick video on heirloom chicken skin, fried chicken skin, and my refried beans, and my chili pequins. All right. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. I love you guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. My name is Yolanda. I'm the Austin Golden Girl. I live in Austin, Texas. And I just created this channel just to keep me busy, to preoccupy my mind, because I miss my parents. I lost both of them in 2024, the end of 2024. And it's been a while since I've made a couple of videos, so I'm just trying to get back to it. But thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like the video, or if you like me. I have tons of other cooking videos that you can watch. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Good night.